Hello and welcome to day 49, my word, of Bedtime Welsh. And this is Nando. This is Beino showing Nando. Yeah. Hello, Nando. Hello. Hello. Did hello to Bubble Bedtime Welsh. Okay, he's refusing to say hello to you this morning. But there we are. That's cats for you.
Hello.
Right, so another new word for today, if Nando will be quiet for a little bit. So the new word for today is to finish. And to finish in Welsh is gorffen. Gorffen. So give me to finish.
Gorffen.
Gorffen, yeah, and the cat has just finished being with us, I think. So how about have finished? Can you remember the word we stick in there to turn something to a have done? Have finished is...
Wedi gorffen.
wedi gorffen. Okay, so how about I have finished?
Dwi wedi gorffen.
Dwi wedi gorffen. Dwi wedi gorffen. How about have you finished?
Wyt ti wedi gorffen.
Wyt ti wedi gorffen? And then last one for today. I have finished now.
Dwi wedi gorffen rŵan.
Dwi wedi gorffen rŵan. And you have already. That was a nice easy one. And we'll see you again tomorrow. Hwyl am y tro.
Ta!